Hi, Sir V. Until yung data mo, hindi, only yung data mo mas mahal kong per ora. Hindi, ako, kasi nakakonect ako may-ari. So, I can, my Wi-Fi is strong connection, plus I have I have 24/7 internet. I have 24/7 energy also. From the solar energy. So, it's okay. So, for me, it's okay. And yeah, everything is okay with that. It's hard for me because send a super sticker to her feet. Oh, my feet now is beautiful. Chicken feet. Okay. I have a video with my feet now. JS Rocker 500 Water Love. JS Rocker, how big your feet? Size 9. My feet is size 9. Ano yon? Ano pa daw ini? Siya inian kuan?
Set up yung dalo.
Red, ano to? Gusto ko testingan? Taka, di rin matatanggal. Ano pagtanggalhin eh? Yawas ka. So, di rin ko tatanggalon niya na buwas? Okay, I will use this. This is my new lipstick. I brought this. Oy, kitak baraydan ko ana daw. Tak baraydan hini. I will try this lipstick. Ha? Buwas na lang ano? Ay gabi na. Painumduman naman ako. Resilient thread. Ayo, isa din to sa mga gusto ko. $2. JS Rocker, $2. Please send Wonder Love. Thank you so much, Sir V. JS Rocker. Don't, if you want to say her page and super sticker, stop asking. Electricity is not available. Yeah. My electric in the city is in my place in the island is available only for 4 p.m. to 12 p.m. 12 p.m. So guys, this is my lipstick. Oh, wow. This is super stay until tomorrow. This is waterproof also, guys. Ay. Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh shit, time lang yung electricity mo. Yeah. I only have time. That's why I pay a lot of money because for the electricity. Saan lugar mo? I living in the island, guys. Eastern Samar. Oh my God! This is Avon. Oh my God.
Dari man makaw ni Lovely mo na ako na halda din nakako. Ate yung mama ni Ruti. Check your phone. Pati man sila ko na.
Oh my gosh, it's really red. Ayan yung sa'yo. Rosy Posy. No, this is not Rosy Posy. Rosy Posy is not available.
Makali kita kananay.
Oh, ito kananay, ito kananay. Oh my God. And this one, I'll last to until tomorrow. Asyeta.